In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name on Xero in just about 5 minutes. Starting a business involves countless decisions and numerous changes, especially in the initial phases or as your business evolves. Today, if one of those changes is updating your business name in Xero, you're in the right place. Whether you are rebranding or just correcting a typo, I'll guide you through each step to make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, let's head over to Xero's website. Simply type it into your browser's address bar or do a quick web search to find it. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the login button located in the top right corner. It's pretty standard but critical, so go ahead and click on that. Now you're on the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in the email and password associated with your Xero account. Double check to make sure you've entered everything correctly to prevent any login issues. After entering your details, click the login button to access your dashboard. If you've entered everything accurately, you should now be looking at your main Xero dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to your organization settings. You might have multiple organizations if you manage or own more than one business. Ensure you select the correct one if that's the case. Usually there's a direct link to your organization from the dashboard, or you might find it by clicking on the drop-down menu at the top where your current organization's name is displayed. Now that you're in the right place, look for the settings option. Xero's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it relatively easily, typically symbolized by a gear icon or directly labeled as settings. Click on this to proceed. Within the settings menu, you're looking for organization details. It's here where you can update various details about your business, including the names. Click on Organization Details to open the section where Xero allows you to make changes to your business's profile information. Within the Organization Details section, you'll come across options to edit both your display name and legal trading name. Your display name is the name that appears within your Xero organization for your team to see. Change this to whatever you prefer your team to recognize your business as. Next is the legal trading name. This should match the official name registered for your business, the one that appears on legal documents and invoices. Take the time to carefully enter the new names, ensuring they're free from typos and accurately represent how you wish your business to be recognized. After you've made your changes, the only thing left to do is save your updates. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or the top right corner of the page. By clicking Save, you'll commit all the changes you've made to your business name in Xero. If you've followed these steps, congratulations. You've successfully updated your business name on Xero. It's essential to ensure that your business information is always accurate and up to date, not only for legal purposes, but also for maintaining a professional image to your clients and partners. Remember, if you make a mistake or need to update your business details again in the future, simply follow these steps once more. Xero is designed to be flexible, allowing you to manage your business efficiently. Thank you for joining me today to learn how to update your business name in Xero. Remember, navigating these administrative tasks smoothly allows you to spend less time on paperwork and more time growing your business. If you have any more questions about using Xero or managing your business finances, feel free to explore our channel for more guides and tips. See you in the next video.